I'm just sitting, minding my business. And here comes this guy in my inbox from Zim. And he says to me, Nomsa, why you guys, and I'm telling you this because you live in Europe, you know this. I'm like, whoa, what now? What did I do? Hey. And yeah, you know, in Europe, the borders, you can cross the border, you can go anywhere as a European. I'm like, so what are you trying to do, to say? And why are you telling me I'm just an ordinary person? I'm just a South African citizen. Why are you telling me that? Yeah, you South Africans, you are treating us bad. You must. I'm like, but that's the thing that you need to talk to your president and the president of South Africa, because I didn't put the border anyway. But then, anyway, can I just answer you? So, that's true, guys. In Europe, the borders are not so hectic. You can cross the border from France, from, like, I was never stopped. I like traveling. And then, so you can just cross without any, yeah. But you know what is the difference between the Europeans and you? Number one, the Europeans, they have respect. They respect the law, unlike you. The Europeans, they know that if they have to stay 30 days from Switzerland to Germany, they stay, 30 days. The Europeans, they know that when they go to the neighboring countries, when their time to go home, it's done, they pack and go home. So you, when your time is done to go home, you start swearing. You start calling us names. Number two, you cross illegal, number one. So the Europeans, they don't cross illegal. So I think you must also learn to behave like the Europeans before you can compare South Africans and Europeans. Number three, my brother, the Europeans, I've never seen them saying, we are doing Europeans in Europe. Okay, Europe is for Europeans. Now we have to pack all of us. We must go to France and demand and do. But all of you want to do Africa is for Africans. Is it lie? No, it's not a lie. Africa is for Africans. But why do you want to do Africa is for Africans in South Africa? Why don't we do Africa is for Africans in Nigeria? Why don't we do Africa is for Africans in Zimbabwe? But you all want to leave your countries and do Africa is for Africans in South Africa. Why? For example, me now as a South African, South Africans, we respect people's countries and the laws. I lived in Swaziland. You know, Swaziland is about maybe a six hours drive or 4 hours, it depends, from South Africa. But I make sure when I go to Swaziland, I have all the documents, the necessary documents, unlike you. So don't you dare compare yourself with what is it, the Europeans. And don't tell me that. Go tell my president or tell your president. I'm not a president. Why are you telling me that? The only thing that I can tell you is, as South Africans, we have respect to other people. You cross the border illegal, you come there and you start swearing, because that's what you do better. You should see on the comment section. And you know, I'm just including the poor Nigerians. The Nigerians are, honestly, I've never seen them. I've never heard so much of vulgar from them. But you Zimbabweans, respect zero. Nyatugana, you've got too much vulgar. Like this other stupid lady. She hates white people with a passion. But she's here. Why don't you go home? You hate white people, but you are in their country. And you're talking ill of them. But you are following them in their country. You hate South African, but you are coming to the South. Otherwise, are you okay? So I'm answering you, my brother. Don't you ever dare compare yourself with the Europeans. Firstly, you must learn that respect is, you must install respect in you. Number two, I am not the president. I'm just an ordinary person. If you have a problem, you can just contact my president, or you can contact your president, because your country has got a border too. Tell your president that they must open the border. And ungiyeke mina. Ongiyeke bhuti wabantu. Hey! Nyanyanyisa. You want to be smart in other people. You are the pit bulls in South Africa. The biggest pit bulls. But you can't bite your own president. You can't bite your own leader. You run away. Biggest coward. You cowards. then you want to be smart in other people's countries. Ke mina bhuti wami, I'm sure uphendulekile. And ungangilandi madala side. Don't you dare. Nisile nina. Nifuna ukuthola izinto zilungile. Lungisani your country. Take that energy. Put it to the right place. Go fight your leaders. Fighting South Africans is not going to help you with anything. Fight your leader. Tell your leader that this is what you want. This is what you want. You niyangibhora. Futhi not uyangibhora wena ungithumela message. Guys, I love you. Bye.
Guys, ngihlale ngisho ngithi we all want free movement in the whole of Africa. Everyone wants free movement. But until we get one passport, one currency, one president, everyone must follow the law of that country. Everyone must follow the law of each and individual countries. So for now, as it's for now, our African brothers must forgive us. They must follow the law. They must have proper documents. They must have proper permits. They must have proper papers to conduct business in South Africa. We all want movement. We all want to visit all African countries freely. We all want to go around and have free movement. But at the moment, South Africa has got their own migration law, and they've got their own currency, they've got their passport, and one president, their president. So as long as South Africa has their own president, Zimbabwe has their own president and currency, as long as we use different passports, as stolen, each and every person who go visit in another country must follow the rules and the laws and the immigration laws of that country. Ngiyaphelela lapho. Finish and clear. Dudukwe.